Hey guys, quick review and demo on this 9D electric head shaver. This is literally my first time using it, so you get to see exactly how it went. In the box, you get the shaver, clipper and trimmer heads, plus skincare brushes and guards. Everything packs pretty compact. It even came fully charged with 90 minutes of runtime, and the LED display screen tells you exactly how much time you have left. So I wanted to test it out to see if it can handle my 3C, 4A hair without pulling or leaving any bumps. And honestly, I was surprised with how smooth it felt. The 9D floating heads just hug the curves of my scalp. It gets close enough to me without causing any irritation. I swapped to the clipper head to line up my beard and mustache. The shape felt a little awkward to me compared to my brawn, but it definitely got the job done. Next, I tested the nose trimmer. Popped right in, with no pulling, definitely something that's worth using. It even came with skincare heads, a soft brush, and a rubber scrubber. Honestly, not something I've ever really used before, but seemed kind of nice, might be something I keep on trying. So to be clear, it's definitely not at the same level as my premium bronze shaver, but it's also like 7 or 8 times less. So I definitely think the cost makes up for it. For a budget head shaver, super impressed. When I finished, the display showed exactly how many minutes of battery I had left, so I just rinsed it and tossed it all into the box with the attachments. Easy cleanup. So yeah guys, first experience was a win for me. Comfortable shave, no bumps, and easy attachments. I am curious about how long these blades will hold up, but so far definitely feels like a solid value.